Hey, awesome folks! Today's video is dedicated to superheroes of the road, full-size SUVs. These rides aren't just cars, they're your ultimate travel buddies, turning every journey into a joyride. With 3 rows of seats, they're like magic carpets on wheels, perfect for your entire crew. But hold on, there's more to the story. These SUVs aren't just roomy, they're strong too, ready to tow your trailers and boats for epic adventures. Safety is the top priority, with cool tech to keep you secure on the road. And guess what? They're not just rides, they're your entertainment hubs complete with touchscreens, music, and smartphone magic. So whether you're a family on the move or an adventure seeker, these full-size SUVs are your go-to pals. And guess what? Stick around because we've got the inside scoop on the 7 best full-size SUVs of 2024 coming right up. Number 7, 2024 Toyota Sequoia, starting at $62,725. In a world of massive SUVs with roaring V8 engines, the Toyota Sequoia boldly charts its course, proudly sporting a standard V6 hybrid powertrain. This isn't your run-of-the-mill SUV, it's a powerhouse that promises to sip fuel while still flexing a muscular 437 HP I-Force Max engine. And guess what? It's the same brawny heart that beats in the Tundra hybrid pickup. But, and there's always a but, the Sequoia has a bit of a family quirk. While the kiddos can sprawl out in the back seats and enjoy the tech-laden interior, throwing a few adults back there might spark a rebellion. The third row is cozy and cargo Tetris is a bit of a challenge due to an uneven load floor and a high lift-over height. Competition is fierce in the land of mammoth SUVs, and the Sequoia's rivals like the Chevy Tahoe and Ford Expedition flaunt more practicality. Yet, if your heart craves an extra-large SUV with a green conscience, well, the Sequoia is waving at you from its hybrid throne. Zooming into 2024, the Sequoia lineup welcomes the limited nightshade with sleek black finishes and lets platinum trims play with the TRD off-road package. Underneath the Sequoia's hood lies the I-Force Max hybrid powertrain, a love child of a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 and an electric motor. It's a powerhouse duo propelling the SUV with 437 horses and 583 pound-feet of torque. The Sequoia dances between lanes with a certain extra-wide flair, and its brake pedal has a touch of squishiness that might surprise you. Number 6, 2024 Nissan Armada, starting at $57,345. The Nissan Armada is a big, old-fashioned SUV that proudly sticks to traditional features. It has a strong V8 engine, can tow heavy loads, and comes with 3 rows of seats. Even though it's not as fuel-efficient as some newer SUVs, it stands out for its style and exclusivity. Under the hood, the Armada roars with a strong V8 engine, giving it the power to tow up to 8,500 pounds. While it might not be the most fuel-efficient SUV, it makes up for it with a spacious interior. You can choose between 8 or 7 seats, and the optional second-row captain's chairs add a touch of luxury, especially in the Platinum model with its quilted leather and open-pore wood trim. When it comes to tech, the Armada boasts a large touchscreen with navigation, Sirius XM, and smartphone compatibility. It may not be the newest kid on the block, but it has its charm for those who appreciate the timeless appeal of a classic SUV. Number 5, 2024 Ford Expedition, starting at $57,520. The 2024 Ford Expedition is a powerhouse designed to carry up to 8 passengers and a mountain of groceries, making it a go-to choice for families. For the 2024 model year, the Expedition receives minor updates, including a new wild green paint color, front tow hooks for certain models, and USB-C charge ports in the second row. Ford has also reduced the complimentary connected navigation service to 1 year. It offers a nice mix of standard features, including leather-trimmed seats, a Bang & Olufsen stereo, and power-operated running boards. Opting for the enticing Stealth Performance package enhances performance with a sportier suspension setup, a more powerful engine, and distinctive exterior details. Under the hood, the Expedition packs a punch with its twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine and a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission. The engine produces varying power outputs, with the highest reaching 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque in certain configurations. The Expedition's independent rear suspension provides a comfortable ride but sacrifices a bit in handling and steering precision. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Expedition delivers up to 17 mph in the city and 23 mph on the highway for rear-wheel drive models, with slightly lower figures for all-wheel drive versions. Real-world testing returned 20 mph on the highway. Inside, the Expedition's cabin quality improves with higher trims, reaching its zenith in the Platinum model with rich leather upholstery and massaging front seats. Number 4, 2024 Jeep Wagoneer, starting at $64,945. The 2024 Jeep Wagoneer is a big luxury SUV made by Jeep. It's fancier and larger than other Jeeps like the Grand Cherokee. There are two versions, the regular Wagoneer and the longer Wagoneer L. It's meant to compete with SUVs like the Chevrolet Tahoe, Ford Expedition, GMC Yukon, and Nissan Armada. The Wagoneer has a strong engine called a twin-turbo inline-6, which gives it plenty of power. It can tow heavy things, making it useful for tasks like hauling trailers. While it doesn't turn as easily because it lacks four-wheel steering, it makes up for it with a spacious interior, lots of cargo space, and the ability to tow up to 10,000 pounds. For the 2024 model year, the Wagoneer has some changes. They don't offer the bigger V8 engine anymore, and the smaller twin-turbo inline-6 is now standard on all trims. The top-level Series IE now has four-wheel drive and air spring suspension, a head-up display, and power-folding third-row seats. Air springs are also available on the longer Wagoneer L models, but only on certain trims. The Wagoneer has a strong and efficient engine, and you can choose between rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. There are different four-wheel drive systems to pick from depending on how much off-road capability you want. It can even raise itself with an adjustable air suspension for more ground clearance. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Wagoneer is okay. It gets about 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway with rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive models are a bit lower. In real-world testing, a similar model got about 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside, the Wagoneer is roomy and comfortable. You can get it with seating for up to 8 people or choose captain's chairs for a bit more comfort. The cabin is designed nicely, and even though it might not feel as fancy as some other luxury SUVs at the starting level, you can add extra options to make it more luxurious. Number 3, 2024 Chevrolet Suburban, starting at $61,195. The 2024 Chevrolet Suburban is a large SUV designed for big families, boats, and RVs. The Suburban offers a range of engines, including V8s and a diesel 6-cylinder. The diesel engine is the most fuel efficient, with ratings of 21 in city and 27 on highway for the rear-drive version. The Suburban can tow up to 8,300 pounds with the 5.3-liter V8, and the diesel model has a towing capacity of 7,800 pounds. In terms of interior, comfort, and cargo space, the Suburban has a spacious 3-row cabin with more legroom than its predecessor. The cargo area has expanded by 23 cubic feet, offering a total of 145 cubic feet. The Suburban's interior includes popular options like wireless phone charging, heated and ventilated seats, a head-up display, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. For infotainment and connectivity, the Suburban features a user-friendly 10.2-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also offers an optional rear seat entertainment system with two 12.6-inch screens along with multiple charging ports and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Number 2, 2024 GMC Yukon, starting at $60,195. The 2024 GMC Yukon and Yukon XL are large SUVs similar to the Chevy Tahoe and Suburban, offering spacious interiors and towing capabilities. They come with 3 rows of seats, accommodating up to 8 passengers. The base engine is a 355 V8, with an optional larger 420 V8. The Yukon is known for its luxury features, but even the top Denali and Denali Ultimate versions are considered less abundant than the Cadillac Escalade or Lincoln Navigator. The mid-range SLT and off-road at-4 trim shine as slightly elevated variants of their Chevrolet counterparts. There are 2 V8 engines available, a 355 5.3-liter and a 420 6.2-liter. Fuel efficiency is not a strong suit, but the turbo diesel engine offers better ratings with up to 21 mx city and 27 on highway. On the highway fuel economy test, a Denali model achieved 29. Number 1, 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe, starting at $58,195. The 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe is a large SUV that fits up to 8 people. It has 3 engine options offering flexibility for different driving needs. The RSD and Z71 models provide stylish choices, with the Z71 designed for off-road adventures. If you prioritize fuel efficiency, the diesel model is a good option, with 21 mc in the city and 28 mc on the highway. Inside, you get comfort with 3 rows of seats and flexible cargo space. The Tahoe is a powerful, stylish, and practical choice for those looking for a reliable and spacious ride in 2024. Whether you need it for family trips or outdoor adventures, the Tahoe offers a blend of performance and comfort. Final words: If you're as fascinated by cars as we are, don't miss out on the latest updates and thrilling automotive insights. Hit that subscribe button for Cars Jade, and give this video a thumbs up to keep the excitement rolling. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.